Everyone's generating their new headshots with AI capabilities. But what if all your headshots end up looking like everyone else's who's also using the same app? Here's what you can do to customize it, and it's so easy with Canva. First, choose the AI generated headshot. This one was generated on Momo. Erase the background. And now you want to change the background first. You can actually do a flat background, you can do a gradient, you can do an image that you choose from the elements. Right now I'm just searching in gradients. That one looks pretty good, and it goes along with the lighting. Now let's change the color of the jacket. We use the smart clicker, magic edit, type in what you want to edit. Now you're given options on the magic edit. This one turned her skin yellow. Once you get the one that's closest to being okay, you can also go into the adjust and start playing around with the color choices. So since yellow is a warmer tone, we're going opposite and doing a cooler tone. You can see the tints are being adjusted, the brightness, and this is all to combat the yellowing of the skin due to the AI generation of the magic edit. Now, as you can see, her skin looks less yellow. It's not perfect. And then you save it. And that's all there is to it. It's a faster way for people that don't have experience in Photoshop. Let's do another example. So go into your device, your photo gallery, choose the photo that you want to work with. Here's a generic AI generated headshot made on the Momo app. So other people that have the Momo app, they're going to have the exact same template. So we want to make it look like it is closest to real as possible. It still has kind of an AI generated feel, but at least we can have a unique look instead of just the template that everyone else will have using the app. So we got rid of the background. We're going to choose an office blur background. This was in the elements section of Canva. Send to back. And now we're just gonna make an overlay because it really just makes it look too generated, not as natural because of the lighting. So because the subject of focus has darker colors, we can do a low opacity overlay right behind so that you still get the background, but you also get a softer change from background to foreground. Select your element of focus, then use the Smart Select tool in the bottom. Now I'm just doing the Smart Edit, change the color of the jacket. And this one worked out pretty well. And you just save it to your library. And that's it. You are done and it's ready to go and use on all your platforms.